Never skip your sunscreen, wear sunscreen every day. Introducing Wow Skin Science Sunscreen with SPF 55. Pump adequate amount of sunscreen and apply liberally all over the skin. Use the 3-finger rule for application. Massage it into the skin and allow to absorb the product. Avoid the contact with eyes. Sunscreen prevents sunburn and can protect the skin from pollution and helps to moisturize the skin. Apply on all the exposed part of your body and also apply it 15 to 20 minutes before stepping out into the sun. You can reapply every 2 hours if you are outdoors. Start a skin-safe trend to invest in your future skin. It is very important to apply sunscreen before the makeup. The sunscreen has the goodness of raspberry extract, avocado oil, carrot seed extract and vitamin E, which helps the skin from dehydration. Keep your skin protected all the year long. Be wow naturally.